Okay, I'm gonna fill up the water for my little doggos. I think that's about right. Maybe a bit more. There. Okay. You gotta be careful. Easy does it. Oh, I might have spilled some. I guess that's okay. Here's your chew toy, B-Dog. Here's your chew toy, Rosebud. Aww. Here's your toy. Here's your little toy dinosaur, Mudbud. Hey, Boo-Dog, here's a place where you can concentrate. There's not that many noises and not that many people. Oh. Bye, buddies. I have to go because I have to put you in here because 3 family members are allergic to dogs. So bye, buddies. Oh, and here's your big chew toy for all of you. Bye.
I love this party food. Wait, we're not having a party with the owners. Hey, we should set up our own party, right, guys? What'd you say, dog? Never mind.
What did you say, Butterball?
Well, we should have a party with all 5 of us, and since it's not fair that the humans get a party.
That's a great idea.
Yeah, dog, why didn't you mention it before? I did. Oh. Go. What are you guys talking about? Oh, dude, we were just talking about that we should set up our own party with the 5 of us since the humans get their own party. That's a great idea. Let's start decorating!
Yay!
I'm first, so I'm going to make the party food. If I were a human, where would I keep my treats? The dog Butterball's treats. That's Tunsie's food, or Tunsie's toothpaste stuff, and it's gross. That's Tunsie's mom's stuff? No. Tunsie's dad's stuff. Oh, flosser, no. In here. The 5 treats. I knew I had a good nose.
I want
one. Hey, who stole the last one?
Totally not me.
I saw something under there.
Nope.
B-Dog, help me. You can see shiny things. Yeah, dog. It's behind her. Something's behind her.
Nothing. See, nothing's behind me.
It's under you. Down there.
It's not under me.
Well, it's right there.
No, it isn't.
Rosebud, just give it back. It's for the party. Sisters.
Give it back.
It's for the party. That's yours.
Sometimes brothers are really not nice.
I'm sorry. Hey, I'll let it make it better by you can go next.
Thanks. I'm the littlest, so I should get treats first. So,
Yeah,
because I'm the
fine.
hungriest.
I'm the technical difficulties. We're gonna be decorating together.
Yay!
So you do. Yeah, we're gonna be decorating. Let's do this, dog.
Yep. Ruff, ruff.
Hey, Rosebud, I have a really good B symbol for buddies. Come on. Wasn't this a good idea?
Yep, it sure was.
And now we can take bows from it and just, decorate.
With the girl bows.
Well, boys still like bows. I mean, everything decorates with bows. Sorry. I think it looks great. Or budful. Get it?
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah, it looks great. All right. I did this one.
And it is pretty.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Now it's my turn. I think my thing should be to get some other dogs and pets. Through the window, of course, since the door's locked. Come on if you want to be to our party.
Okay. Oh, hi.
Kill.
Hi.
That didn't work.
Hi.
Sorry.
Hi. Woof. Meow. Meow.
Oh, hi. Hi. Oh, hey, cuz. I mean, ballet bud. Hi. How did you not fall from up there? I don't know. Okay, then. Okay, now it is my turn, and my thing for a party is to make everyone dress up. I'm good, dude. I look fab. Happy 4th of July! At first I looked fly, but now I look super duper scooper fly, yo! This is perf for me. I'm very, 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 very excited. The right size bow for the right size pup. I'm gonna attract all the girls with this. I'm a party girl in a party world. They're all dressed up. America for the party. America. It's party time. Can I please get my, can I get a makeover, please?
Yes. Name, please.
My name is Globe.
Okay. We'll be right with you.
Okay. I'm so scared.
Da 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 dee da 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 dee da 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 do dee da do.
Ah! Wait. You can say the love of man. And he catches her. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Come on. America, 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 America. No, I want that girl. I want that girl. I want that girl. I don't want that girl. I don't want that girl. I want the food. I want that girl. Yeah.
Peace in the world.
The humans are coming. Come on, guys. Hide. I'll grab the snacks. Oh, I can't. Sorry, guys.
Buddies, I'm home. The family party's over. Come on.